How to block somebody on LinkedIn phone. So all you have to do is to open the LinkedIn application. And first and foremost, once you open someone's profile, it will actually notify them. So the first thing that you're gonna do before blocking them is to make sure that your digital footprint is set on invisible. So what you're gonna do is on the upper left, if you're gonna see your profile, right? Click on that and then tap on view profile. After that, on the upper right, you will see the gear icon or the settings. Click on that again. Now here, you will see your settings and you will see the word visibility or the visibility option. Click on that. And then the very first option, you will see a profile viewing option. Click on that, and as you can see, it is currently your name and headline. So basically, if you select what others see when you viewed their profile. So if you want to view someone's profile without them knowing who you are, then tap on private mode. So basically, they will still see that someone viewed their profile, but it will be set on anonymous LinkedIn member. And after that, you're good to go. Go back to your homepage and find someone that you want to block. So, for example, this one, click on that profile, and then on the middle part here, you'll see the three dots. Click on that, and then tap on report or block. And basically, you can block that specific account and tap on confirm block. And basically, that's how you block somebody on LinkedIn profile. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.